You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Character name from Deepwoken. For more names from the game, make sure to stay tuned. This is also a word in English designating a mountain slope which faces the sun. Adret, it is said in English, or Adret. Adret or Adret. Both pronunciations are used in English. Now in the game I believe it's more like Adret. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.